Got a GeoJSON file packed with map coordinates and need to actually see what they represent? This is the modern open standard powering web maps everywhere. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and convert these geographic data files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted JSON files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. Users encounter GeoJSON files when working with web-based mapping applications or exchanging geographic data. Their primary goal is to visualize, edit, or analyze spatial features like points, lines, and polygons. This format is popular for its simplicity and web-friendliness compared to more complex GIS formats. GeoJSON is a text-based open standard based on JavaScript Object Notation, JSON. Its structure is human-readable and easily parsed by web browsers and servers. The design prioritizes lightweight data exchange and interoperability for web mapping APIs, making it a de facto standard for modern geospatial applications. The JSON format has primary linkage to the QGIS application by QGIS development team. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows lacks support for spatial layers, so external GIS tools are needed. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your JSON file and choose Open With. Check for QGIS and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If your JSON file will not open, do not worry. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I've put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, viewing on a map. Open the GeoJSON file in QGIS by dragging it into the application or using layer, then add vector layer. The features render on the map canvas with all attributes, accessible through the attribute table for inspection and analysis. Next, editing properties. Open the GeoJSON file in Visual Studio Code or any text editor since the format is human-readable JSON. Edit feature properties, coordinates, or geometry types directly while preserving valid JSON syntax. Use GeoJSON.io for visual web-based editing with live map preview. Finally, converting formats. Use QGIS Save As or the OGR2OGR command line tool to convert GeoJSON to shapefile KML GeoPackage or other GIS formats. The command OGR2OGR f Esri shapefile output shp input.geojson produces a standard shapefile preserving all geometry and attributes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.